St. John's School Remodel Phase 3. This is the door that will be on the east side of the school. Now we are looking at the entrance to the girls' and boys' restroom. Let's enter the girls' restroom. And now the boys. The door at the back on the east wall leads to the mechanical room. This is the hallway to all the other classrooms. We are now looking into the first classroom. The door at the back leads to a storage room. This is the second classroom. This classroom is similar to the first, but doesn't have a closet. We are now heading in to the science lab. Doors on the west side of the hallway lead to the gym. This is the west wall. This wall will be in the gym. This is the south wall. This is the east wall. And the north wall with the exit. That is the end of the Phase 3 School Remodel Tour.